Hey guys, Daniel Mar Reviews here. As you can see, I have a Honda Civic collection. TOMY, I'm pretty sure, is the brand of this. I was going to film this on my Sony Handycam, but it was having issues. So I'm on my iPhone 6s right now. So I got this today at a store. They sell diecast cars. Not sure, I can't remember what it was called, but it's at Pacific Mall in Markham, Ontario. So my dad bought it for me, so a huge thanks to him. But they have 4 different types of Civics right there. We have a blue Type R. We have 2 Type R European models, but they're the same, just 2 different colors. And then we have another Type R right there, which I'm pretty sure these 2 are the American ones. So as you can see, Honda, so TOMY Asia Limited, and these are made in Vietnam. So we're gonna unbox this now. So I've unwrapped it. There's the 2 cars right there. So here they are. So there's 4 cars all together. Whoops. So there's the box, nothing in there. But as you can see, we have the Civics right here. So we have the Type R. Oh, I think this is an Asian one. Yeah, the steering wheel's on the right, so I think this is an Asian one. But still, definitely a nice looking car. And then this is the other Type R. And then this right here is a European car. So we're gonna go and take them out of the wrapping right here. That fell accidentally, but still looks like it's in good condition. So here's the Type R right here. Here's the other Type R. As you can see, other Civic. Oh cool, the trunk opens. And finally the last one. Right here. So as you can see, these are great new additions to my diecast car collection. So again, this right here is the blue Civic Type R. And then these 2, I believe, are the European Civics. And their trunks open. I believe these are Asian as well, because the steering wheel's on the right. But so there's my car collection, and there's the 4 Civics that I have. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. See you guys.